Hey guys, this is Mrudula, a web development expert at DigiReload. Today we are going to shed light on a topic which is a point of confusion among many aspiring programming students, and it will also help to add a value to a programmer's existing knowledge. Most of you would be aware about HTML, that is stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and it is used for creating web pages and web applications. It is basic coding language which is used to describe structure of web pages. So guys, what we are going to discuss today is what is the difference between HTML and HTML5 and how HTML5 is better than HTML. So let's start.
First one is multimedia support. HTML is an old language, and while writing a code in HTML, there is no option to include audio or video without the use of Flash Player supports. On the other hand, HTML5 supports audio and video controls with the use of audio and video tags. Next one is browser compatibility. HTML is compatible with almost all browsers because it has been present for a long time, and the browser made modifications to support all the features. On the other hand, HTML5 has many new tags and elements which requires updated and limited browsers to be fully compatible with HTML5. Next one is vector and graphics. When using HTML, if you want to insert vector graphics, you will need to take help of external programs or plugins such as VML, Silverlight, Flash, etc. Plus, you cannot create shapes like circles, triangles, and rectangles. In HTML5, this limitation is absent. Vector graphics is by default present in HTML5, SVG, and Canvas, and you can also create shapes like circles, triangles, and rectangles. Next one is JavaScript. JavaScript cannot be run within the same web browser in HTML, as it only allowed to run JavaScript in a browser interface thread. This limitation is again overcome in HTML5, as it lets programmers to run JavaScript within a web browser due to its added functionalities. Last one is data storage. Data storage in HTML was limited to only browser cache method, which used to take up more space. In HTML5, data is stored in web SQL databases, which does not put load on your browser.
So these are the key differences between HTML and HTML5. Now let's quickly understand how HTML5 is better than HTML.
First is handles error better. Prior to development of HTML5, there was no standardized process to handle structurally incorrect HTML code. The browser developers to use test incorrect HTML in different browsers through reverse engineering to create improved error handling process. Thanks to HTML5, error handling to become more cost and time efficient. HTML5 uses improved parsing algorithm which accepts the unstructured code, making coding less time consuming. Next is introduction of new elements. There have been many improvements made in HTML5 with the introduction of new semantic elements such as section, article, nav, and header. This enables HTML5 more better code suggestion and make mistake scanning process more lucid. Next is supports web applications. Prior to HTML5 development, developers were not able to use server-side technologies and browser extensions, which made it difficult for them to run applications on web browsers. HTML5 provides developers a platform which allows web browsers to function as application with enhanced control of their website's performance. Next is mobile web compatibility. HTML5 has made the access to web resources for end users on any mobile devices very easy. This is because HTML5 is developed keeping mobile device compatibility in mind, and therefore it is able to function on low-end mobile devices.
So that's all for today guys. Hope the video was informative and help you in understanding the features and elements of the HTML5 that make it better than HTML. See you soon with new exciting topic for discussion in web development. Till then, keep sharing our channel and subscribe for latest update and visit our website digireload.com. Thank you.